Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Anthony. Kublay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam tagasni. Ha kabenta banyad bet ke election ka ECI Meghalaya u Chief Electoral Officer CRO u Dr. BDR Tiwari u yathu shakilar pathai khubor ba katnat ding ba ki bor Pulit balayo kurup ya ki tiar kum ka kyiad drok kynthup ka pisa ki bayade ba ka election ha kani ka jilna. Kalakot siya ka saw klur AA haba pentip halor kani mentah kasni. Utiwari ulaong balayo pediang ru ndri pulai teli kijing ujor ki biyadei bakakam election ha gajuk kapor ulaong bala pendon kam khatra hajar ngut kinong penyat ya ke election bat nalor kinong yaram. Ki driver kalakot siya ka life san hajar ngut habaro kawe ke jela. Ki donru kumba syajar khandai spa ki brio ki belangat hakini ki kam kat kum ka CRPC namar ke jingpen khen ya ki kendon. Ha kabayadai ber ke NPW la yo pediang arspa san fu arteli ki jing ujor bat shispa shipho la penbet bat shispa lai fu ar kidang sa teng bat nrip san teli la pen phasha ka yeng ka shari.
Right now it is progressive. So once the final figures will be arrived, then only we will be able to give the detailed description in respect to that. Whoever vehicle and whoever vendor being involved through the proper process, their bill payment will be received.
From the very beginning, if the person don't come,
If they can just make their application and plead to that administration, and they are there to consider all the humanitarian request. But since it is the legal part, so the respective deputy commissioner will examine on the ground and they ensure needful action, and all the humanitarian aspect etc. has already been inspected and instructed also to take care, but as much without hampering and affecting the election process. They have to get the election conducted, and we are not receiving, but there are several incidents have come in between these MCC period, mostly related with the land order. In all such cases, the police has taken all the necessary preventive. And no proxy voting to be there in the Lok Sabha.
Also about the dual voting pattern in border area.
So whoever is a voter in our state, they will vote in our state, and all the necessary steps are already been ensured accordingly. 4-5 crore rupees pre-MCC and rupees 10.93 crore after post MCC. This is the total value of the season. So all the polling party time to time they give the schedule and they come and do their counting. And in very democratic way, our grassroots institutions, so it will ensure very peaceful